shoot.
Hello.
Model 1.
Hello.
Alright, got model 2.
How are you?
Model 3.
Oh.
She's returns from the last vlog.
Yeah.
Another new face.
Hello.
Say wagwan.
Wagwan.
You've seen his mug before.
It's on, I think. Is it? Yeah. It is. 8 seconds.
But then I contacted Adrian.
World star. Damn. I just can't. Oh.
Most important part of the job.
Looking all glazed like a donut. Krispy Kreme's gonna sue your ass. There's a cat loose in the building. What are we up to? We're applying lip liner over here. I'm gonna leave you alone because it's not good. Hello. What are we up to over here?
I need to change my lens. Too zoomed in on the bunda.
Oh, this doesn't seem like a big problem, I can't lie. Oh, look at the bunda.
Wow. Girl, do you lift?
Do you? Yeah. Dang. Oh, it smells good too. I'm gonna disappear. What are you up to? Are you on camera duty?
Yeah.
You gotta be vlog ready at all times. I come when you least expect it. Like Santa Claus in the night. You're just here for the vibes, which I love. Like this combo here is every model looks like this at the end of the day. That is exactly what we look like. We're all just vibing. Shouldn't have let me have this because I won't stop talking.
So we gotta stick together.
Yeah, well, I might need some help understanding what all the buttons are for.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Which
It's a D7200,
Oh, yeah.
so it's crop.
Day 1. Got main man like T back in the building. Yes, sir. Alright people, it's the first official day at the event. If I'm squinting, it is so bright. But it's the first official day. We're gonna do a group shot currently. Everyone's coming in, as you see over there. But yeah, when they get to group shot and when they get to some shooting.
We were used to this last night. We was.
Okay, when it goes up, do we wave?
Yeah.
We like a little boss at Mexican wave or whatever. Okay, but who starts? It's gonna start. So just like
3, 2, 1.
Nobody.
Got Layla here. Queen of the Bants.
It's me.
We just finished, well not finished, but we got some on this bad boy. And now we have to get the more importantly,
My Instagram
iPhone crap
more
for Instagram. It's not more important, but we
not more
move.
important, but equally as important.
It's not guys, but we have to keep the model happy, I guess.
The wall, not the wall. Like that.
Yeah, that's it, that's banging. Fire. Then you can like sit on the edge.
Like, so looking at it, so I'm like
Yeah,
just waking up vibes.
just woke up, gotta get to work. Going quick outfit change. We're going for the high ponytail look with the shirt.
Yeah, that's kind of cute, I feel like.
Yeah, that's a vibe.
Okay, what leg do we drop that?
That one, and then tipped it. Both, yeah. Nice. heading to the road.
To the road to do some
Got,
LA vibes.
LA cat vibes, chunky trainers, bikini bottoms, crop top, in the road. You know what I mean? This is what it's all about. It's about variety. I mean, look at this. Look at the size of the suitcase.
It's not even that big. That's my small suitcase.
Oh, shame. That's the small suitcase. That's dope. Yeah. Now, Layla.
I'm about to get some lunch.
Need a quick break.
Quick break.
It's too hot.
We're dehydrated.
And then tiptoe if you can. Yeah. Yeah, banging. I'm not talking to myself, by the way.
I'm falling! Into my pussy.
This is all going on the vlog. Nice. This is a gentle reminder, just go to thecollectortravel.com and sign up to our email list. There you're going to get discounts, you're going to get updates, you're going to get first chance to find out about our new events that are coming up. So that is where you're going to find out first. You're going to get first chance to get onto the trips before they sell out. We've already released one for April next year, so sign up because there are going to be more reminders.